Another video, guys. Today we're going to be doing some work on the 128i. It's a 2010. It's aged, and as you can see, the start button looks like it's been through World War III. So we're going to go ahead and replace that using a nifty little trim tool and get it rolling. Let's go. Alright guys, so this car had a ton of sun damage. It was just parked for a long time. As you can see, the letters are faded on the start button. So we're gonna go ahead and just get that replaced right now. So we take this off. Let's throw that right there. And then just get this little button off right here. It's real simple. It's just like a little cap, and it snaps into place. Placement button, it's red, and I think it'll kind of refreshen the interior. So this is what the button looks like once you remove the cap. It's really just a cap, and then you have that silver ring around it that kind of just like houses it, I guess. All right, so let's get this in. Nice little bright red, and it's see-through, so when the ambient lights come on, it'll come through at night. All right, so we just kind of line this up here. That's it. So we got it clicked in. And we just take the silver tab and line it up here. All right, and there we go. We got our brand new start button in. Let's put the key in and test it, make sure everything is working the way it's supposed to. That's it, just like that. Just a quick little mod, but it refreshes the interior so much. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a good day.